What's up, everybody? This is Joel with Rachel and Joel Reviews, aka BinksTube, and also the founder of Pinnacle Social Media, here to leave a product review on Media Assets Kit. Now, if you are a business owner out there, somebody who has a social media platform that you're constantly posting on, constantly trying to get traffic to your store, your restaurant, whatever your business might be, this product is something that I'm telling you you're going to want to have. Also, before we get into it, I wanted to let you know that we have some custom bonuses that you won't get anywhere else that we have included with this product. That's how much I support it. I've even made my own bonuses to go along with it. Educational videos that will show you exactly how to use this and how to take your social media platforms to a whole new level. And we'll get into the details of that later, but just wanted to let you know those bonuses are included in this. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so as you can see, there's over 68,000 media assets, including videos, audios, images, animated graphics, vector graphics, etc. All that is included in Media Assets Kit. And the best thing about it is everything is 100% royalty free. That is huge. For those of you who know what that means you don't have to worry about your butt getting sued. You don't have to worry about getting your social media presence shut down. All that stuff that no business owner ever wants to deal with, you don't have to worry about it because all of this is royalty free. And also, not only is it royalty free, but it also has RR and PLR. And that means for resale rights. So even you could make a video, take an image, whatever, and resell it. Doesn't matter. You have that right. You also have private label rights. So, if you're posting a video or something with a song in it from the Media Assets Kit, and you need a license to be able to show that it's royalty free, you have that as well. So both of those are included, which is great, especially the RR resale rights. That's kind of rare. And so it's great that it has both those for all these things. All right, so we're going to go ahead and scroll down a little further. You're welcome to pause the video right here and look at the details of how many 4K videos there are, how many 1080p videos there are. I'm not going to get into all that. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'll let you just pause and look at it, or it'll also be on the sales page. So we'll go ahead and keep scrolling. Here I want to show you some of these great example videos. So for the 1080p HD footage, I'm just going to show you a few awesome videos that they show as an example of what kind of videos you'll get, and you can edit and put text to or all kinds of stuff. So let's go ahead and click on one. See if it'll load. There you go. Nice little drone shot there with the water. You could do all kinds of stuff with that one. Here's one of a guy skiing over here. You could use that for something. We'll keep going down. These are the 4K Ultra HD video footages. This is a great one for a restaurant, a coffee shop. All kinds of cool stuff that you can get creative with. Create some great posts that will just make you look very professional, bring in more people to your business. There's all kinds of stuff that they'll provide for you to use. Some great imaging. Let's see here. Let's see if I can blow any of these up. Not really. All right, we'll keep scrolling down. Here's some cool little audio sounds you could use. You can attach to a video, to an image, a slideshow, all kinds of stuff. Got some catchy music. Stop that one, play another one maybe. Yeah, and there's just hundreds and hundreds of these things. So, thousands of these things you can look through until you find the kind of music that fits your post. Many options there. Now you got the animated graphics. These can be funny, with a post, and so there's all kinds of ways you can use these. The vector graphics. Here's some viral video quotes. So, we'll just show you an example here. You got a cool video in the background along with a quote that people are reading. Looks really professional. You got one right here. If you click on it, the text just kind of pops up. It just looks pretty professional. So all kinds of stuff like this, it enables you to not have to spend hours trying to come up with these little videos or create these videos when you don't really have any video creating experience. This makes it super easy for you and allows you to really bring your social media presence to a whole new level, which means bring your business to a whole nother level. Because we all know today the way to reach people and to get traffic to your business is social media and is online presence. So this is a great asset to that. All right, so now we're on the sales page. I just wanted to show you this. If you click the link below the video, this is the page it'll take you to. And we're going to scroll down and talk about the Binks custom bonus videos and what those exactly include. Now, if you buy this product through this link, you will get these bonuses with it, but you will not get these bonuses anywhere else. These are custom bonuses that are only provided with this product through this link below. What that includes is a video, an educational video on how to brand yourself through social media. You know, if this is something that you're looking into getting, that tells me you want to take your social media presence to a whole new level because you understand the importance of it and how much money it'll bring you in return. And the hardest thing is branding yourself. It takes learning. And so to speed that up for you, we've included this educational video on how to do that. It's 3 power tips on branding yourself with online social media presence. The next one is how to make money on Instagram and build your brand. Again, branding is huge. It's very important. This one's particularly, though, for Instagram. Reason for that is Instagram is currently the #1 used social media. So everybody's on Instagram. You know, it even tops Facebook. So with that being said, it's important to know, particularly with Instagram, how to brand yourself on there. And then next is the content calendar for social media marketing. Now, this one is a file that allows you to organize your calendar and kind of set up your posts. Now, this is important because, you know, with being a online advertiser, social media marketer, people always want to hire me to just post for them. And I'm willing to do that if that's really what you want. But honestly, I never recommend it because it's something anybody could do. You know, if you just take an hour once a week, just set aside some time, sit down and just make all your posts for the following week. That's all it takes. And this is something that helps keep you organized. You can kind of just decide what kind of content you want to have on this day, or if you have an event coming up, you can also just make something about that event and then put it in this file so that when the time comes, you can just simply copy it, paste it. You don't have to think about it twice, figure out how to come with a video. You know, this product will also help you make that process a lot shorter with having all the videos and stuff you're able to use. You know, but having to figure out what to say, you know, is also something that takes a little bit of time. And so this allows you to set aside time in the timing that's convenient for you, schedule out your posts, keep it in this file so that when the time comes to post, you can copy it and paste it. Also, there's programs out there for some social medias, plus I know Facebook has its own, where you can literally schedule the post and the social media will post it automatically. Some of those don't have it built in like Facebook, and so this video will also show you what's best to use for that. And so that will make your life so much easier when it comes to posting stuff on your wall, on your social media presence, and that'll take your social media presence to a whole new level. So that's what this video does. That's what this bonus does for you. And if you buy through this link, we will include that in it. And that kind of wraps it up for now. This, like I said, Media Assets Kit is something that I definitely recommend coming from a social media advertiser. And so I recommend to get it. And I recommend doing it through this link so that you can get these bonuses with it and take your business to a whole new level with your online presence. Thank you, everybody. This is Joel with Rachel and Joel Reviews, and I hope to see you again.